Alright, what is going on, guys? I want to make this quick video on this something that you need if you're going to be working on cars and doing coolant flushes. This is a spill-proof funnel kit. Bought this on Amazon. Can't remember exactly how much it was, but it's pretty cheap, and it comes with everything you need here, everything you see. And then this is actually a cap, so you can put everything back when you're done, so you don't lose any of the pieces. I especially like how it comes with all the adapters for all different kind of cars, as you see here. It tells you what, small, medium, large, and then it has this when you're done, so you don't leak all this when the car's not taking anymore. Right now I'm waiting for the car to get to temperature. That's why it's on, so sorry if you can't really hear me. And once you're done, you plug this back up like this, you take it off. Oh, hold on, the light. You take it off, and basically you don't spill. And then I'll just put this on the reservoir right there when I'm done. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. If you guys want to go ahead and get one for yourselves, I highly recommend it. And this is not a paid sponsor or anything. I just really like this product, and thought I'd share with you guys. So go ahead and check it out. Get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.